Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
This video is designed for anyone who wants to view Apple Mail files in Windows without any email client. Let's start by downloading the MBOX Forensics software on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it to learn the easiest way to view, export, and extract Apple Mail mailboxes. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. Now, go to the Open tab and you can see dual modes to upload Apple Mail data. Choose File and choose Folder. Click on Choose Folder and select the Apple Mail folder from the saved location. Wait, the software is analyzing the Apple Mail mailboxes. The tool lists all of the Apple Mail folders in the software interface. Here, click on the desired Apple Mail mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you can see, all the emails in the Apple Mail mailbox are listed one by one. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the Apple Mail with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If the email contains any attachment file, then right-click on it, and you will find options of Open, Save, and Save All. Choose the option as per your need. Message header helps you view the particular routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see the hexadecimal digit of an email message. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on the raw message option to get the preview. This MBOX Forensics wizard has many helpful features such as quick search and advanced search option. These help you filter MBOX email information and also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next 4 and 6 video tutorial. So, subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the next videos. Have a great day.